Hi everyone, it's Richard Perry here for three charts in one. Three charts in one video. We're going to be looking at euro-dollar, we're going to be looking at oil and the DAX. Three really important charts today on Wednesday the 30th of March. Let's get going. Right, okay, so euro-dollar, big rally on euro-dollar. It's been consolidating in this downtrend in recent days, but we can see the rally and it's coming up to a really important level of resistance, 111.20. Big resistance of overhead supply that comes in from all these old lows from earlier in the year. And it's an incredibly important time in terms of resistance because, as you can see, it's tested this 1, 2, 3 times now. So can it break through? It's having another go this morning. It tried to yesterday, failed to break out yesterday, but it's having another go this morning. Looking at momentum, it is improving now, and we can see that euro-dollar is on a near-term recovery, having broken that downtrend. So this is a run that could well now sustain. It'll be interesting to see if it happens because obviously we do have the non-farm payrolls report on Friday we need to look out for, but closing above 111.20, that would be a really important moment. That would suggest the market is starting to pull higher, and you can see that on the 4-hour chart as well, the improvement we've got in the momentum now, and it's a really important moment. As I said, breaking above 11.20 really does open the upside. You can look at sort of 11.80, 11.90, maybe even 12.70 again. So this is an important moment, but choppy times. It is non-farm payrolls report as well this week, so volatility is going to be seen. On the oil price, well, another pullback, really huge volatility in the last sort of month and a half, coming up 5 weeks now. Really big swings on the oil price. Again, another swing lower, rebound yesterday. But looking on the 4-hour chart, we can see this is an important moment because this is resistance overhead here. I'll zoom in one more level. We can see the again, overhead supply, all these old buyers who bought oil back in a couple of days ago, about a week ago, is now potential sellers. And we saw that resistance coming in yesterday, resistance that comes in between the 1350 area up towards 1550 area. Again, coming in this morning, resistance around that level, 1375, and falling over. Momentum on the RSI and the 4-hour chart, again, negatively configured. So it's a failure underneath 50 on that RSI would suggest rolling over momentum. And again, if it forms another lower high underneath that 1520 level, you can see the market potentially falling back again and maybe back towards this uptrend once more. And that uptrend currently comes in around 102 big figure today, so potential for a sharp swing lower. And finally on the DAX, a really strong recovery that we've seen. Again, accelerating higher this week. Let me show you the importance of this resistance. This is a massive level of overhead supply. All these old lows, 14,800 to 15,000. All these old buyers that were in the DAX between, well, for the last year really, absolutely got stung on the way down, but they'll be sitting there thinking, what do I do now? Do I now sell it into this rally where I've got my money back? That is the question. That is what overhead supply does. Really big resistance overhead. We can see that this market has improved on momentum on a near-term basis, but the importance of this resistance overhead is significant. So that's what I'm looking at. Can the market break out through 15,000? Big moment. That would be 15,000 above there would be a strong signal that the bulls are in. But you've got nice support now at 14,500 area down to 14,300, 14,400. So nice basis of support for a little pullback on this little move backwards that we've got today. So that's the key question. Can it break through 14,800 to 15,000 resistance?